Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to enable or disable dark mode in Google Chrome. So to do that, what you can do is just open up your Chrome browser, and after opening up your Chrome browser in search bar you can search for Chrome, and after opening up your Chrome browser in search bar you can search for Chrome colon // flags, and by searching for that option it will take you to this page where you can search for dark mode. And after searching for dark mode you can find this option, and now I have enabled my dark mode. So to disable my dark mode, what you can do is just tap on this enable option and just disable my dark mode. And by tapping on disable, so now my dark mode is enabled. Now to disable my dark mode, what I can do is just tap on enable and then set it to default. And by setting it to default you can find this relaunch option in the bottom right corner of our screen. So just tap on relaunch, and after relaunching my Chrome, here you can see I have changed my theme to dark mode to default mode in Chrome. So that's it guys, this is how to enable or disable dark mode in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.